G'day guys, I'm Quackerjack, and today we are going to be having a look at Aprilia's new little sport bike that they just snuck into the world. It's called the GPR 250R. At this time, the bike's only been announced in the Chinese markets and it will be directly competing with the GSXR 250. But what I think is really interesting about this bike is what they've equipped it with, and I think it presents us with a very interesting question. And that is, should they bring more smaller cc sport bikes to the Western markets? Aprilia has done a great job of making this quite an appealing little machine, with a range of features seen on larger bikes, as well as an attractive design and paint scheme reminiscent of the higher cc sport bikes they make. I think this may just be the best looking beginner sport bike out there right now, and I think it's going to be very interesting to see how other markets respond to it. In terms of its engine, it's got a 250cc water-cooled dual-cam single-cylinder engine that's capable of pushing out 27.5 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 21.5 Newton meters of torque at 7,500. That gives it around 3 more horsepower than the equivalent Suzuki, but a few less torque. The GPR 250 weighs only 158 kilograms, and that makes it a fair bit lighter than the baby GSXR, which comes in at 178 for the non-ABS version. That should give it a bit of extra performance and allow it to be a little bit more zippy on the road. It's got a 41mm upside down fork at the front, and the rear monoshock is adjustable for preload. As for brakes, it's got a 218mm disc up front and 300 at the back, along with dual channel ABS. As I said before, what I think is great about this bike is that even though it is a smaller cc and does fit into the beginner category, it is still very well equipped. And it has a lot of features that you wouldn't normally see on a bike in this class. Things like a slipper clutch, that dual channel ABS, underbelly exhaust, full LEDs, and even a full color TFT display. Along with that smart styling, and I think you've got a bit of a winner in the beginner class category. I can see this being a popular bike for people looking to start doing track days, as it's got more aggressive ergonomics than other bikes in this league, and could get you closer to a more traditional MotoGP experience. Again, at this stage it has only been announced for China, where they do also have an even smaller 150cc version, which is also available in parts of Europe. But I think that if the price is right, it could do well elsewhere. With A2 or equivalent licenses allowing up to around 45 horsepower, of course it will be outgunned by bigger beginner bikes such as the Ninja 400 or the Yamaha R3, even the RC390. But I think if the price is right, it could carve out its own little niche market. I think being such a small displacement bike, it would struggle in places like the US, but in European markets, places like the UK, or even here in Australia, where smaller cc bikes are more accepted, it could have its own place. Here in Australia, smaller cc sport bikes are more accepted, and things like the Ninja 250 and 300 are still found everywhere. And we've got things like the Brap Moto 3, which are also quite popular. For beginners or fans of smaller cc, cheaper sport bikes that they can thrash around a track, this could do okay. I mentioned in a previous video when I was talking about trends of the next 10 years that smaller cc sport bikes would become more popular. So, you know, this fits right in with that. Personally, I'm a fan of the bike. With the styling and feature set, I wouldn't be mad to see it reach our shores. But what do you think of it? Let me know down in the comments below. And while you're down there, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm also giving away a brand new GoPro Hero 9 bundle over on Instagram. So if you haven't gotten me over there yet, make sure you do yourself a favor and get your entry in before the 22nd of August. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. See ya.